Hey guys, it's Sadie, and I want to show you my new whip. This is my new whip for $400. $400, $400, Altima, Nissan, bam, $400 car. It just needs a little bit of love. The valve cover and valve cover gasket and that stuff. So I got that off on there. It's still leaking, and then we're gonna do that. Bam. That's what I'm talking about. $400 car. That's how I'm doing it. So this is a 2005. This is a 2005. And you know, my Kia is a 2004. So I'm going up a year, and the Kia is a 2.0 liter. So this is a 2.5, and it's automatic. It shifts itself. This motherfucker shifts itself. I own this bitch. This is mine. I'm gonna fix it up and then do some videos. See, I've got plenty of room to do some videos without clothes. Okay, yeah, I need to look for a job, but this is my car. You can control the little cruise control coast and the volume on the steering wheel with my finger. That's like magic. Automatic 2.5 liters. So I've moved up a year from the 2004 Kia, and I have a whole extra liter. That's too much power. That's too much power for me. Okay. All right. Thanks for watching.